again. Me about this the other day, just put the key in the lock, show you it's all working. And this one is a Zone. Quite like these locks, they're quite difficult to pick compared with some of the others that you'd think would be harder, like Yale. Anyway, here's the lock. Now, I'm going to bump this. I'm using the universal 3-piece bump key set for this. Now, what it is, when you line these up, right, normally now, how I've lined that up, it's a little bit further than it needs to be. Yeah, can you see that? It's actually on the last pin. So normally, the thin white washer that I've got here, you'd take that off, which would then make it sit like that. Yeah. But what it is, on some locks, you get this little bit of a keyway here, which is a little bulge. Yeah. So you have to compensate for that, because if you set everything up to that and it's perfect, by the time you've put it in the keyway, it's dropping it back to like here, and you're missing a full pin, so it's never reaching the end pin when you bump it. So what you do, if you set it to the very end pin so it fills it like that, yeah, take the key out, when you're putting this in the keyway, it then comes up and leaves you just where you want to be. Yeah, because the depth of this bulge on the keyway you need to compensate for. So if that's in there, when you bring it down now, if I drew a pencil line, in fact, let's see if I can hold that in the keyway. Let's put it in the key. Oh, you can't put it in the key. Let's put it like that with the dampeners on it, and I'll just pinch this other key that I've got here. Yeah, you see how that's now perfectly in line for where we want to be. See, if I turn that over, it's in line with the end two pins. Yeah, because the keyway's pushed it out slightly. So at the top, when you measure it, there's too much there. So line it up so it's actually on this end pin, and then this will compensate and take it back, so when it's in the lock it'll land just where it should be, like that. So let's put this in and give it a go. Like I say, it's a Zone 5-pin anti-pick or something. There you go. Took a little bit of work, but we got there in the end. So that's how you need to set it up, with these dampeners compensating for the bulge. That's with the Zone 5-pin anti-pick. Cheers.